Your Honda CR-V will shine inside and out with our lavishly designed custom-fit seat covers. Made of soft and stretchy neoprene and neoprene fabrics, these seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored to your vehicle's specifications for a perfectly snug fit. Installation is easy. Before you know it, your seat protecting cushions will be on and your car will look and feel like a brand new ride. The covers are waterproof, long-lasting, durably constructed with thick foam padding, and offer a sideless design to allow for airbag deployment. The back side of the bucket seat features a handy slip pocket, and the bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. Dazzle your passengers and appreciate the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.